Hello everyone. So today we are going to see one of the scenario based interview question on Java. So here is a question. You need to store the unique user ID for your web application. Now here the question is, which collection would you be would be the suitable for this purpose, and why? So as we can see, for the web application we need to store the unique user ID. So in the Java collection framework, which collection will be most suitable? So the answer of this will be the hash set. So we can use the hash set for storing the unique user ID because it does not allow the duplicate entries, and it offers the average, that is the complexity will be big of 1 for adding or removing or the content operation, the nothing but the searching operation. So let's see the example. So to the answer to this question will be hash set, and we can demonstrate that by using the example and by telling the complexity of the hash set. Now here's the example. Here we can create one class called user manager. Inside that we can create a one hash set of string, and the variable name will be user IDs. Now we'll go to the main method. Okay, first we'll create the object of user manager. Now inside this hash set, what we'll do is we'll add this user 123. Now in order to search that whether the element is present in the hash set or not, we can use the contains method. So here we can write one method contain user ID. From there we are calling contain user ID or not. The user ID is this one. Now there is one method in the hash set, that is contain, that will tell us whether the element is present in the hash set or not. So as user 123 we have already added, it will be present and its output will be true. Okay, now we can also remove the element from the hash set. Okay. So here we have written one method called remove user ID. So whenever we are calling this 123 user 123, there is a method, inbuilt method in the hash set, that will remove that element whatever we are passing. So it will remove the user 123. Now if you try to check whether the hash set is containing this user ID or not, so again we'll call this contain user ID, then it will give us a false because we have removed it. So by using the hash set, the main functionality here is we can store the unique element, and to add to the element in the hash set, or to remove or to search in the hash set, the time complexity will be big of 1. So the average time complexity will be big of 1 for the operations like add, remove and contain. So the big of 1 is the average complexity for this operation, that add, remove or contain, and in the worst case scenario it will be big of n. So if interview asks you the what is the average time complexity for the operations in the hash set for the adding the element or removing or searching the element, so we can tell it as, in the average case it will be big of 1, but in the worst case scenario it will be big of n. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, you can hit like button and subscribe to our channel.